my respected principal, teachers, guardians and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. It is a great honor for me to join this English speech contest on the Republic Day. The topic of my speech is about the life story of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious. Prophet means a message of God. Allah had sent many prophets to guide mankind. The light to in darkness. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the prophet of Islam. Islam means peace. He was the last and final prophet of God. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the greatest and the noblest man the world has ever seen. He was born in the Hashim family of Quraysh on 5th April in 571, the 11th of Rabiul Awwal. He was posthumous child. The name of his father was Abdullah and the name his mother was Amina. He was brought up by his grandpa Abdul Muttalib and Abu Talib, his aunt uncle. At the age of 25, he married a rich widow Hazrat Khadija radiallahu anha. He was posthumous child. The name of he was honest and trustworthy, so the people called him Al-Amin. He used to retire to Hira to worship God. He received first wahi revelation in the cave through Jibreel alayhi salam. When he was the first by Quraysh to leave Makkah for Medina, it is called Hijrat. He was a good soldier, a wise administrator and just ruler. He loved children, helped the poor and relieved the urgent Muslims to treat them with kindness and help them in all ways. That restored the dignity of women. He died at the age of 25. He married a rich widow, Hazrat Khadija radiallahu anha. He was a program of patience and forgiveness. He was honest and trustworthy, so the people called him Al-Amin. He used to retire to Hira to worship God. He received first wahi revelation in the cave through Jibreel alayhi salam. He loved children, helped the poor and relieved the urgent Muslims in distress. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had great love for poor and urgent Muslims to treat them with kindness and help them in all ways. That restored the dignity of women. He died at the age of 63 at Medina and buried in Masjid Nabawi. He showed the right way to the people, the whole world. We can succeed in this world and the world hereafter by following his teaching. His teaching are not only for one Muslim, but also for the whole universe. That's all my speech about the life story of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May this speech be useful for us. Thank